Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Etoro fees, a crucial step in managing your trading expenses on the popular social trading platform. To get started, you need to understand the different types of fees associated with Etoro, including spreads, overnight fees, and withdrawal fees. First, log into your Etoro account and navigate to the Fees section, usually found in the Account Settings or Help Center. Here, you can view a breakdown of the fees applicable to your account, including the spreads on various assets such as currencies, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. To minimize your fees, it is essential to understand how spreads work. The spread is the difference between the buy and sell price of an asset, and it varies depending on market conditions. For example, if you buy a unit of a particular currency pair, you will pay the ask price, and when you sell, you will receive the bid price, which is lower than the ask price. Etoro also charges overnight fees on leveraged positions held overnight. These fees are calculated based on the size of the position and the leverage used. To avoid overnight fees, consider closing your positions before the market closes or using a lower leverage. Another type of fee is the withdrawal fee, which is charged when you withdraw funds from your Etoro account. The withdrawal fee varies depending on the payment method and the amount withdrawn. To minimize withdrawal fees, consider using a payment method with lower fees, such as a bank transfer. To set up your Etoro fees effectively, consider the following best practices. First, always check the fees associated with a particular asset before trading. Second, use the Etoro fee calculator to estimate your trading costs. Third, consider using a demo account to practice trading and get familiar with the fees before risking real money. In conclusion, setting up Etoro fees requires a good understanding of the different types of fees associated with the platform. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the best practices, you can minimize your trading expenses and maximize your returns. Remember to always check the fees section on your Etoro account and use the fee calculator to estimate your trading costs. With this knowledge, you can trade confidently and effectively on the Etoro platform.